Good afternoon, Venkat. My name is Manish. I've been in touch with you the last 1 or 2 days. And thank you so much for placing an order. I've got your payment. And I think you had appropriately placed an order at Bitkart on bank transfer, on which you have also got a discount of about 1,260 rupees, since the entire money has been in an account through bank transfer payments only. So no confusion. I would request my accounts department to give you a bill and the receipt of whatever you have paid us. And we'll quickly run through the configuration that you have chosen. So you've chosen this Cougar cabinet MX410 mesh RGB black. It's a fantastic medium size, good looking cabinet. And you've chosen APU, right? A 5600G. That's a APU. Does not need a graphic card. That's a HyperX 212 ARGB air cooler from Cooler Master. That's your motherboard. B450 Tomahawk Max 2. That's your power supply, a Gigabyte 650 watt. That's your NVMe 512. This is you've done a good job by buying this Windows 10 Home Edition original. And instead of your Vulcan, I'm giving you this Ripjaws G-Skill RAM pair, which has a 10 years warranty, right? So I wish to thank you once again, because I see this order has come from Hyderabad, and I specifically, from the bottom of my heart, thank people who order from that part of India. That part of India, I feel so honored that you've shown trust in my company, and I will personally look into the assembling process. I will make sure that the testing happens in a proper manner in room temperature environment for at least 10 hours, so that there is no issue. You have to do an unboxing process uninterrupted when you get the PC. I'll try to ship it by tomorrow evening or Wednesday morning, and buy a good UPS and get your earthing checked. And that's all. Thank you once again for placing an order. Wish you a happy computing and have a very nice day.